I didn't finish the course. I work hard. I train with a discipline, focus. Sometimes I thought I never improve, but I noticed that my pronunciation is much better. I speak English more clearly. Native speaker can understand me. No one is perfect, but I'm much better now. Yes, of course, I know that improvement never ends, that exceeding, there's always a new challenge and a new adventure with English. I'm excited to start the new independent pace of training. First, I review the most difficult unit in this course. I'll do more training with the most difficult sound. Then, I ready to have fun with audiobooks, TV series, and movie. Maybe I start first with AJ Effortless English audiobook. I use the whole book for pronunciation training. Then, I choose scene from favorite American TV show and movies. I use the same effortless English 5 days process to train. My pronunciation is imitated and tracked by a favorite actor. I find I'm exciting and I never stop improving.